Have you recently undergone surgery, or are you caring for someone recovering from an operation? One of the most important factors in a successful recovery is proper nutrition. After surgery, your body needs extra energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals to repair tissues, heal wounds, fight infections, and regain strength. In today's video, we will discover the 10 best foods that can support healing after surgery, and also learn which foods you should limit during recovery. Let's get started. 1. Eggs, the perfect healing food. Eggs are one of the best foods to eat after surgery because they contain high-quality protein, which helps rebuild damaged tissues and supports wound healing. They also provide essential nutrients such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, and zinc, which play important roles in immune function. A boiled egg, omelet, or scrambled egg can be an easy and nutritious option during recovery. 2. Fish. Rich in protein and omega-3 fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are excellent choices after surgery. They provide protein for tissue repair and contain omega-3 fatty acids that help regulate inflammation and support overall health. Choose grilled, baked, or steamed fish rather than fried options. 3. Lean meat and chicken. Chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of meat are rich sources of protein and iron. Iron helps your body produce healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen to healing tissues. A balanced amount of lean meat can support recovery and help reduce fatigue after surgery. 4. Greek yogurt and dairy products. Greek yogurt, milk, and other dairy products provide protein and calcium. They can help maintain muscle strength and support overall nutrition during the healing process. Choose low-sugar options whenever possible. 5. Colorful fruits. Natural vitamin boosters. Fruits like oranges, strawberries, kiwi, and berries are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Vitamin C is especially important because it helps your body produce collagen, a key component needed for proper wound healing. Fresh fruits also provide hydration and natural energy. 6. Green vegetables. Nature's recovery support vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, and kale contain vitamins A, C, K, and important minerals. These nutrients support the immune system and contribute to normal healing. Try adding vegetables to soups, salads, or smoothies. 7. Beans and lentils, plant-based power. 5.15. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent plant sources of protein, fiber, iron, and other nutrients. Fiber also helps prevent constipation, a common problem after surgery, especially when taking pain medications. 8. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats, protein, and minerals like zinc. Zinc plays an important role in immune function and normal wound healing. A small handful of nuts can be a healthy snack during recovery. 9. Whole grains. Whole grains such as oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread provide long-lasting energy and fiber. Your body needs extra calories after surgery to support the healing process, and healthy carbohydrates can provide that energy. 10. Water and healthy fluids. Hydration is often overlooked but extremely important after an operation. Drinking enough water supports circulation, digestion, and the delivery of nutrients throughout the body. Your healthcare team may provide specific fluid recommendations depending on your surgery and medical condition. Foods to limit after surgery. For the best recovery, try to reduce ultra-processed foods, excess sugar, excess alcohol, highly salty foods, deep-fried meals. These foods can make it harder to maintain a balanced diet and may not provide the nutrients your body needs for recovery. Conclusion: the right foods can make a big difference after surgery. Focus on protein-rich foods, fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, whole grains, and proper hydration to give your body the nutrients it needs to heal. Remember, every surgery and every patient is different. Always follow your surgeon's or healthcare professional's advice regarding your specific recovery plan. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more medical and health videos.